You forget you have your own answers sometimes, the Aries. And these are the times, the reason that you forget you have your own answers is because you're listening to everybody else. You're listening to the people around you or the world around you. And so you either listen to what's deep within, which means you have to be able to access what's deep within, which very often begins with entering a space that is very quiet, learning how to listen to the quiet. I was going to say accessing, but it's more, actually I could say accessing the pace of the present moment, which is a lot slower. Or you keep moving really, 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 really fast and listening to everything outside of you and keep taking in more and more and more and more information. One of the ways will work for you in supporting your nervous system to be very calm, and the other way will destroy your nervous system. And I feel like you already know which way will do what. There's a practice of coming back to the present moment over and over again, in particular listening to the sound of quiet. You'd be amazed to recognize the wisdom that sits in that space where there is nothing but quiet. And that itself is a practice also. It's time for you to listen to your own inner wisdom rather than continuing to take on opinions and ideas from either the people around you or the world around you.